talk about some of the important books that you can follow to crack IIT JAM. So the first topic is The Planet Earth. For the Planet Earth, you can follow the book Textbook of Geology by G.B. Mahapatra. It is one of the good book and very basic book. And the next book is Principles of Engineering Geology by K.M. Bangar. And also do refer to some of the internet sources for the topics that you don't really understand, because these two books don't cover all the topics, so you need to rely on the internet. And the next topic is geomorphology. For geomorphology, Sommerfeld book The Global Geomorphology by Michael A. Sommerfeld is more than enough. And don't try to read the whole book, just read the topics that are given in the according to the JAM syllabus. And the third topic is paleontology. For paleontology, you can refer to Amaldas Gupta. It almost covers every part of the JAM syllabus. In case you have any doubts, then refer to Fundamentals of Invertebrate Paleontology, Macrofossil by Shripad Jain, and Fundamentals of Invertebrate Paleontology, Microfossil by Shripad Jain. These two books have a very detailed explanation. In case you have any doubts in the Amaldas Gupta book, refer to these two books. And the next topic is structural geology. For structural geology, you can refer to Stephen Marsek's Earth Structures and Geological Structures and Maps, a practical guide by Richard Leasley. And you can also refer to S.K. Ghosh, but S.K. Ghosh is very much detailed, and I find most of the time I can't even understand what is given in S.K. Ghosh. So these two books are pretty basic and you can refer to them. And the next topic is mineralogy. For mineralogy, you can refer to Manual of Mineral Science by Cornelis Klein. I have attached the picture of the book and you can refer to this book. This covers almost every part of the JAM syllabus. If you have any other doubt, then you can refer to Tulane University notes and e-Pathshala notes. And in addition to that, you can also refer to Introduction to Mineralogy by William D. Nessy. Especially, I would suggest you refer to the crystallography part and silicates part, because I think in this book they have given in a more organized way. And the next book is Introduction to Optical Mineralogy by William D. Nessy. This book is very optional. If you have extra time, you can read the optical mineralogy part, but it's not really necessary. And the next topic is stratigraphy. For stratigraphy, you can refer to K.M. Bangar, and this is enough. The next topic is sedimentary petrology. For sedimentary petrology, you can refer to Sambok's book, and this is more than enough. And the next topic is metamorphic and igneous petrology. For metamorphic and igneous petrology, J.D. Winter is enough. And if you have any doubts, you can refer to Tulane University notes. And the next topic is economic geology. For economic geology, you can refer to K.M. Bangar. K.M. Bangar almost has 85% of the syllabus. And in addition to that, you can follow Aligarh Muslim University notes. Those notes are really good. And also refer to the internet, because not all the portion is covered in K.M. Bangar, especially some of the topics like skarn and porphyry deposits. It's not given in K.M. Bangar. And the next topic is hydrogeology. For hydrogeology, groundwater hydrogeology by David K. Todd is enough. And don't try to read the whole book, just read the topics that are given in the JAM syllabus. And the next topic is engineering geology. For engineering geology, you can refer to K.M. Bangar. And also there are some portions that are missed, like some of the basic definitions such as the shaft, winds, crosscut, etc. I will upload a video of the topics that are missing in K.M. Bangar regarding the engineering geology part. And the next is the question bank, and these two question banks are really good, but I find Ajay Hussain has a lot of mistakes, but it gives you an idea of how the questions can be framed. And IIT JAM Breaker series, this book contains all the previous year IIT JAM questions with answers, so this is really good book. But this doesn't contain answers of those long answer type questions, but that's fine. Now they're not even asking the long answer type questions. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.